Have you ever heard that traders say, my robo is trading for me? Or you have seen some advertisement where people are promoting profit through automation? Now, here is a time to separate myth from all the realities. Welcome to Signal Expert Global, where we believe in smart, data-packed and human-driven trading strategies. So let's understand what is algo trading. In simple words, algo trading or algorithm trading is using computer program to execute trades automatically. These program follows a set of predefined rules. Let's say that execute the trades when it's touched a particular level of moving average, or exit it when RSI reaching to a particular range. So yes, no emotions, no logic, just speed. Sounds good, right? But here is a question come. Is it reliable? Not really, because they are just following a set of predefined rules. They are not following the market, the emotions and the human-driven behavior. They are not just data, they are driven by human behavior. Fear, greed, political tension and a single tweet from a person like Elon Musk, Donald Trump and boom, market changes in a single second. That's where pure automation often fails. It executes but it doesn't interpret. Why Signal Expert Global is not suggesting to go with robo trading? We have seen both the sides of it, a power of automation and its pitfall. As I have explained that robo trading is having a predefined set of instructions, so it is not able to analyze the other parameters of market. It's totally based on the technicals. That is why we are not suggesting to go with robo trading, because there are some other parameters of market as well, like fundamentals, technical, sentimental and economical analysis, which has to be monitored while you are trading cautiously in this market. So what are the biggest limitations of algo robo trading? No understanding of breaking news and global sentiments. Can't adapt to sudden economical and political changes. Fails during high volatility sessions. Needs continuous monitoring and updates. Prone to technical errors and network delays. In short, it can't think. It's only execute. That's why Signal Expert Global believes in hybrid approach, combining it with human experience and analytical tools. We use automation as an assistant, not as a replacement. So if you are thinking to trade with robo, always remember automation can always support you, cannot secure you. Join our global community of traders today. Learn the strategy, understand the market. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, then please like and subscribe and suggest to your trader friends as well.